Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is 𝐎𝐻𝐒𝐋𝐍𝐈𝐂𝐒. As you all know, I am Queen Edisa, and with me here is Sister Hola. Say hello to my viewers.
Hello viewers. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for joining us. Don't forget, once you're done with this video, to like, comment and subscribe. So I was having a conversation with her earlier, and she told me that she wanted to glow up her face. I engaged in a conversation, and she told me she has some things in her wardrobe or on her dressing table. So we have tea tree facial scrub. She has aloe vera gel. She has turmeric. She has granulated sugar. She has apple cider vinegar and honey and palm oil. Last but not least, I advised her to use a little bit of green tea as an antioxidant. So let us get to business without further ado. This is the important thing of this whole thing we're doing. The important lesson is that you can make your scrub with on a very low budget. You don't necessarily have to break a bank before you look good. So we're going to start with sugar, because sugar is the foundation of scrub. Sugar or salt, but it's better to use sugar, because if you use a salt in a scrub, you don't need so much salt in your body, especially for the people that have a tendency to have high blood pressure. So you need sugar in your scrub. So this is what I'm doing. I don't usually use measurements, I use my discretion. So pardon me, just check and come with me to this. So this is oh my days, pardon me for that. This is can you see that? Yeah, like we could say it's about 4 tablespoons. Yeah. Then this is a tea tree 250 ml. Definitely I'm not using everything, it's just for her to understand. So this is a tea tree scrub. You can name it your own scrub. So as you can see, mix it together. So I'm mixing it. Can you see? It's not too much, it has a very consistent texture, but definitely I might eventually add more sugar as it's required. Now this is turmeric, so let's put this is a teaspoon, right? So let's put 1 teaspoon, because too much turmeric can stain your body, so I don't want that to happen. So we're adding it. Now, how you will know that you're making a very good scrub is that you touch the bottom, it's cold. Yeah, something is mixing inside of it, so it's getting watery. So that's why I'm saying we might eventually add more sugar as time goes on. Now, this is aloe vera gel, very important, works for acne. It's also watery, so if you can get the natural one, get the natural one. It's not bad. So that's about 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. This is honey. So we have a yellow scrub. As you can see, it's turned yellow because of the color of the turmeric. So we're about to put honey now. Yeah, we have a cold honey. It's already frozen. I was told it's original honey, anyways, by Rose. So in case you want to just find out in the market, it's good for you. So we need just a reasonable size, like just as you can see, like 1.5 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons. Yeah, that's okay. 1.5 is cool. So we mix it together. Remember, your consistency is paramount when mixing the cosmetic. So this is just a kitchen method of making your DIY scrub. All right. I used about 120 ml, because it's almost over now. It's like half of it, 120 ml. This is the apple cider vinegar. It's all purpose. It's very good. Works for acne. Works for a lot of things. So if you don't have a lemon, you can use apple cider vinegar, and that's what we're doing. I'm mixing it together. Now when I add my apple cider vinegar to this, it becomes more watery because apple cider vinegar has that habit. It makes your product watery, so you have to be very careful of that. But that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm adding about 1 teaspoon because it's not supposed to be much in your scrub, or 1.5. It can be very harsh on the skin. You can use it as a cleanser too. It's very good for cleansing the face. Okay, that being said, I'm mixing it together now because it's not much, but you can see it's getting so watery. I told you guys it gets really watery, so we have to add more sugar. But before that, get a little green tea in your life. Green tea is very good. It's an antioxidant. It works for anti-aging. So we use a Lipton, a tea bag of green tea. We call it Lipton in Nigeria. Pardon me, I'm from Nigeria. Correct, Nigeria. So here, you can see it is so watery. It's getting more watery because of this thing. Apple cider. Oh, bad. So yeah, the one is okay. Then our palm oil. Last but not least, it's very good. Palm oil makes your skin glow. It's very good for polishing, skin polishing. It's good for maintenance. It has collagen. It has vitamin E. So it's a very, very good one. So we're just gonna have a way to scrape it and put it in our scrub. Careful, sorry. We can add it. We need more. Yes, we need more. Okay. So my hands are dirty. I'm just going to use a napkin here. Thank you. So see that you need to mix it very well for consistency. Now let's add our sugar to make it thick. So you add it like you're making amala. Yam flour. Amala is yam flour. So you add it and you mix. You mix. You mix. You keep mixing till you get your scrub. Now, if you have a tea tree oil, you can add to it, but because we don't have a tea tree essential oil, we can just add a little more of this. Yeah, because this is the main ingredient, so we can call it tea tree collagen scrub because of our aloe vera gel and because of our palm oil. We both have collagen. This works for acne. Works for, is that lime? No, you don't need lime in this. It works for acne. It works for face polishing. It works for exfoliation of dead skin cells. It works for skin renewal, skin rejuvenation, skin regeneration. And trust me, we now have our collagen tea tree scrub. Yeah. I'm glad. So here is our cinnamon. Works for anti-aging, works for blackheads, works for pimples, works for spots. It also reduces oil, excess oil on the skin, on the facial skin. Don't forget, it's a facial scrub. Thank you so much for joining me today on this episode of the 𝐎𝐑𝐆𝐀 Show. Do not forget to subscribe, like, ask any question, ask 𝐎𝐑𝐆𝐀, and leave your comments below. Thank you. Bye.